Now, the two tools I use often in Google Sheets is sorting and filtering, and Google makes this so easy. You're going to be able to sort your data by column information. So what you can do is hover over the letters of those columns, and you're going to notice a little caret here appear when you hover over that letter. When you click on that, you are able to sort your sheet either ascending or descending. And when you select that, it's going to change all of the data matching across rows. Now, let's say you want to look at specific data and not all of it at one time. I'm going to select the entire spreadsheet by clicking on this top left box and going up here to this icon to create a filter. Google is automatically going to create a filter for each new data point within that column. You're going to notice that there is a little filter icon here next to the header name. When you click on that, you're going to get a new menu that comes up. You can filter by fill colors, conditions, values, or I'm going to clear this out, any data point that is unique. So if I only want 2 sets of data in this column, I'm going to click on it, and now all of that information is filtered out and I can only see that content. To get it back, you're going to click on this filter, select all the information, or you can go up here and turn filters off.